I wonder if I'll ever actually be able to get the Beam Master. I passed it up a few years ago and I haven't been able to find it since. Hello and welcome back to another Gunpla review. Today we're taking a look at the Changeling rifle, one of the Build Diver support weapons. Alright, this isn't going to be a very long review because it's pretty much just one weapon and a bunch of barrel attachments, but let's get into it. You get the main body of the Changeling rifle itself. Has a handle on either side as well as a movable secondary one that can be swapped. Then just a bunch of barrel attachments pretty much. These are effectively the same as this, but they're specifically molded for each one of these individual blade things. This one just looks like a butter knife, to be honest. That's the worst one. Anyway, this one is actually pretty cool because it kind of looks like the Barzam's beam rifle. They all just plug on, and you can flip them around either way. Aside from that, you get this sort of long barrel, which these things off the side kind of feel unnecessary, but it does look pretty nice. This really short, not even a barrel, it's just like a little nubbin that you can stick underneath one of the others. This, I don't even... There's one specific World War II rifle that looks like this, and I cannot remember what it's called for the life of me. Tri-barrel, sort of really mini Gatling gun, and these are all 3mm pegs, so you can put this on pretty much anything, which is really cool. You get a little mini Gatling. You get these two, which can actually be combined together into this sort of a master key setup. It's probably my preferred choice, honestly. I quite like how this looks. Sort of ties it together well. And finally, you do get this sort of square-ended barrel. I'm using this for custom. I kind of super glued it on before this because I wasn't thinking. Doesn't matter, it attaches on with the same two-peg system. And as for a very quick size comparison, it's a pretty big rifle. I mean, it's not Buster Launcher big, but in terms of sort of handheld or hip-mounted, as the case may be, rifles, this is pretty sizable. I'm not a huge fan of how the handles look, honestly, but for sort of an Ideon blaster, it kind of works. So, to wrap this review up, this is a pretty nice little weapon. The back half isn't amazing, but it's still completely usable, and the barrel attachments are absolutely amazing if you want to make custom rifles. This is honestly some of the best barrels I've seen from any of the build custom weapons. Definitely worth picking up if you want to make a custom. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.